Now I'll try and demonstrate the issue with changing your steering switch, ignition switch that I have. The vehicle will not start. However, this ring here is a sensor. If I hold the old key with the chip in it to there, then the vehicle will start. Unfortunately, I need another hand to demonstrate this for you, but trust me, it will. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape the old key to that and hide it under the dash covers. So yes, now you can see that I have taped the key to the old sensor, and the car starts no problem at all. So I'm just going to poke that into there and put the covers back on.